This 2026 load trail, the 5 feet by 10 feet x18, tandem dump trailer 7K ramps tarp is a dump trailer. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new load trail is 10 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2026 load trail, the 5 feet by 10 feet x18, tandem dump trailer 7K ramps tarp is 2,180 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.